Alright, let's talk about something that's on a lot of our minds right now, AI and entry-level jobs. You've probably seen the headlines, AI is coming for your job, or robots will replace us all. But how much of this is hype, and how much is actually true, especially if you're just starting your career after college? So here's the deal, AI is definitely changing the job market. And yeah, it's already making waves in those classic entry-level positions. Stuff like basic data analysis, customer support, simple content writing, and even some graphic design. AI tools are getting really good at these tasks. A lot of companies have realized they can get AI to crunch numbers, draft emails, or answer basic questions faster and sometimes cheaper than a brand new grad. But before you freak out, let's look at the bigger picture. AI isn't here to snatch every opportunity away. It's more like a power tool, something that can help you do your job better, once you know how to use it. Think about it. Back when computers first showed up, people thought they'd kill office jobs. Instead, they created a whole bunch of new ones. The same thing's happening now. Here's what this means for you. The jobs that are disappearing are often the repetitive, process-driven roles. But jobs that need critical thinking, creativity, empathy, or actual human judgment, those are still super valuable. In fact, companies are starting to look for grads who know how to use AI tools to get more done faster. So if you can show you know your way around ChatGPT or you can automate boring tasks, you've suddenly got a massive edge. If you're worried about your future, focus on building skills that AI can't easily copy. Learn how to work with these new tools, not against them. Be curious, stay adaptable, network with real people, and keep building up your communication and problem-solving abilities. Your degree is just the starting line. What you do next is what counts. So is AI taking entry-level jobs? Yes, in some cases. But it's also opening up brand new opportunities for those who are ready to learn and adapt. Instead of being replaced, why not become the person who knows how to work alongside AI and stand out from the crowd? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on thriving in a world full of change.